Coronavirus has pushed some businesses to reconsider their current strategies or business models. With many people in quarantine, the digital marketing landscape has changed dramatically. 46% of consumers are using social media more than the week before March 27th, and organic search is up by 33% as information on COVID-19 continues to arrive. In this video, I'll give you a few tips for your business to adapt its digital marketing strategies to these new trends. Number 1, don't stop researching. Digital marketing is highly volatile these days. Therefore, you need to keep an eye on what consumers are searching for online. How can your services or products fit in here? Let me give you a few ideas. For instance, if you're a restaurant owner, you'll probably have to offer deliveries or promote takeouts. If you own a furniture store, people may have an immediate need for office furniture. If you're a lawyer or a healthcare professional, you may need to start offering online consultation services. If you work in the transportation sector, you may need to consider offering delivery services to transport food, medicine, and other goods. Just be creative and think outside the box. Number 2, align your digital marketing strategy with your business. Once that you have a better understanding of what direction to take, make sure all your efforts are aligned. Update all your information on your website, social media business pages, Google My Business, and Bing Places. Remember that most people are not leaving their houses. Make sure you're telling potential clients your story online. For instance, create interactive content such as videos, images, and carousel ads. Provide detailed information about your current services and products, and answer FAQs related to how your business is taking preventive measures. Make sure your ad copy strategies are aligned and that you're using keywords that are relevant right now. Check your Google Analytics and make sure that you're tracking all website engagement. You can also create remarketing campaigns to reconnect with past website visitors. You can even create local display campaigns and YouTube campaigns, all to increase brand awareness. Establish yourself as a trusted provider while using Google My Business and Bing Places. Also, take advantage of Microsoft advertising to reach an audience with a high purchasing power. Number 3, plan for the future. These are strategies that you can use to adapt to the current situation. However, you always need to think long term. Once the COVID outbreak is over, you'll probably have to update the information that changed during this time. If your business is at its low season, don't stop advertising. On the contrary, make sure you're warming up your leads for the high season. Similarly, if your business has no chance to adapt to this current situation, focus on developing and growing your marketing lists. If people are not moving in the lower part of your funnel, they're in the upper and middle stages, and you want to make sure that when they're ready to pull the trigger, you're there to catch that bullet. If you want more detailed information on each of the points I just mentioned, visit our blog at whitesharkmedia.com or contact me directly. Stay safe.